Hi everyone! My name is Erica, and for today's Tinker Day activity, I'm going to show you how to make singing straws. This activity is super easy to follow, and the end product is so much fun with little kids, so let's get into it. First, you'll need some tape, a pair of scissors, and 8 to 10 plastic straws. In pairs of 2, cut the straws into varying lengths. Next, cut a long strip of tape and arrange the straws on the sticky side from longest to shortest. Secure with more tape so the straws don't move around. And if you want to get creative, you can decorate your straw instrument with stickers or colored tape. And now we're done! You're now ready to make harmonious music with your new straw instrument. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the library's website and Facebook page for more information about summer reading. Bye!